I know everybody hates intros at the beginning of a video, but look, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna have more videos of this car, my truck, a lot of stuff. Anyways, I want to give a quick rundown of what's on the car. Now, as far as exhaust goes, I got engine 7.8, Speed Engineering long tube headers that comes down to Speed Engineering true dual exhaust all the way out the back. Now, I had the original clamps and I used them at first, but I would not recommend using them. They're not that great. Now, you need to go to O'Reilly's. I don't have the part number or nothing, but O'Reilly's has an exhaust clamp. It's got 2 bolts on it, and it's a lot more flexible. So it seals the exhaust leak a lot better. So that would be the best option as far as clamps go, if you want to keep it to where you can just drop it down, other than getting it welded. And that's the way I want to keep it, because that's the best thing to do for me, because I never know if I want to place my rear end it don't matter, you know what I mean? So anyways, that's pretty much the rundown. Now, I had a few questions last time. It does have the lower end springs in the rear. I have not replaced the front yet. QA1 shocks. Everything's as far as the suspension goes, all BMR, UMI, torque arm, panhard bar, lower control arms. Now, if you do run this exhaust, you have to get, I know you see the panhard bar, but the top is the panhard bar relocation bar or whatever. It basically makes it to where you can run the exhaust, and it sits kind of low. I don't like it. I want to get it up a little bit higher. I didn't focus, but you see how it's kind of curved right there? That helps out. You ain't gonna be able to run it with your factory unless you just take it off completely, which I have heard of people doing that. I would not recommend it. Anyways, and the exhaust is not made for the 2000 to 2002 SLP packages with the center mount exhaust. As you can see, they're on the freaking side. And I got to get the exhaust ran because it's already starting to bend on my bumper. It ain't real. It's kind of loose. I don't like it. I want to run this out the center. Probably do a center mount exhaust. So anyways, here's the sound clips.